Hi, I'm Paul, sound editor at Pole Position Production. Today I'd like to introduce to you a new feature we are offering with selected vehicle libraries, our Sound Library Spotting Folder. What is the Spotting Folder? In short, it's a carefully curated selection of trimmed clips of driving and exterior maneuvers, as well as performed effects of doors, horns, dashboard instruments, and more. They're designed to be easy to use, no trimming needed, just drop them directly into your projects and you're ready to go. How is this different from our regular sound libraries? Well, our full collections include multiple detailed tracks of recordings from onboard the vehicle, as well as multiple exterior trackside perspectives. The complete collection is there for people who want elaborate options and sounds from every possible perspective. Here's a session of our Peugeot 208 rally car. You can see that it features multiple tracks from the interior, engine, and exhaust, as well as 4 exterior perspectives. It also includes custom mixes, here in blue. Now let's look at the spotting folder elements. The spotting folder files take selections from the mixes, trims them down, and separates them for simplicity. Think of it as a greatest hits of the full library. It covers the most popular movements and effects at a fraction of the cost. They're easy to drag and drop quickly into your projects. How do you choose between the spotting and the full versions? On our shop's product pages, select between the full library and the spotting folder here. After you've chosen which one you've wanted, add it to your cart and check out. That's it. Stay tuned, we'll have more sound library features coming soon.